Alhamdulillah, bro. How about you? Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Yo. Hello. Morning, Sack, morning. Khalil's in school, so we can't talk, so I was really quiet and just typing. But now you're here, I can talk. Hi. Bro, I was literally about to get in GJ longs and it hit the invalid zone, man. Literally, look on the 30-second, bro. So I just need a price to trace back into this level, yeah? And then break again. And then I was gonna long it, but then it just hit this invalid zone. So annoying, man. I wanted to hop in a trade ideally before anything else happens. I might have to keep waiting on this one then. Now, the only other place I can take a trade from is if this fails. Well, let's go to 5. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relatively equal lows. That's interesting. Got a support level right there. I want that zone to fail. And then obviously we've got a few equal highs here as well. Bit of a channel going on. We can attack that channel. And then M15, we've got one invalid zone right at the top of Asia. That can't be any more obvious. Literally, that cannot be any more obvious. So we got a channel to attack here. So I want to get into longs really. But how much did it take this buyer? Took it by 0.7 pips. Lower high led to a lower low. Higher low led to higher high, led to higher low, led to lower high, led to lower low, led to a lower high, led to a lower low. Broke structure there. So now I need price to come back and respect this level, break structure again, and then I'm willing to take that long. Because we got this support level here. It did take it by 0.7 pips, but because there's so many touches there, that's not good enough, man. That's not good enough. Let me get gold up for you in it, Zach, because I know you want to look at gold, friends. Let's pull gold up really quick. Go on M15. Bloody hell, 75.9. Woo! Gold ain't done no pullback, Francis. Gold ain't done no pullback. Look at that. Yeah, if you're a pullback trader, you're screwed, mate. You're absolutely screwed if you're a pullback trader on gold. Oh my god. When we're at all-time highs, I don't like getting into long positions or anything. I'd rather just wait. And then I don't swing trade, but if I was a gold trader, I would 100% swing trade gold. 150%. So what about Euro USD? That's kind of similar as well, actually, in terms of this little trend line going on. And then we've also got yeah, of course, because it'll just keep running in the direction and you won't get that fill, as you were saying. So 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 1 touch, 2. We are in a channel. Okay, so we broke structure there. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, because it led to this breaking the high there. Now I don't like that we got this big gap here, and here. I don't like this gap. I like you when this gap is filled, and then we can take it after the next break.
Met US delegation September 22nd.
Why is our volume so low?
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Come on, people. Come on, people. It's not the fault of the American people, it's all the fault of China. China. I used to do a really good Trump impersonation, man. I haven't done it in a long time. It's coming to that level. It's setting it low. I'm setting alerts absolutely everywhere so I don't miss that trade I did in GJ yesterday, which was really good, man. That GJ trade, it would have just been enough for me to make money out the market, so yeah. This would be the zone where you could take it from because it's the nearest order block or demand zone. But I don't like the look at that just because we got all of this gap here that we need to get filled. So I prefer it when price does a retracement into the initial order block and then moves away from there, but I'm not sure, man. It's valid, but I don't like it because you got this big gap here and the gap below it as well. You got all of that gap there. See what I mean? eurusd is exactly the same actually from the invalid zone. Let me just quickly draw the invalid zone on here. 10:15 in. I don't know why it's on. Yeah, 10:15. There you go. Perfect. Okay, eurusd is coming for this low. Let's just set some more alerts here as well in it. I think on premium you get like 20-30 alerts. I'm just gonna set all 20-30 alerts so I'm not missing anything. Nothing at all. 0.3, that's still not really enough for me, is it? Nope. A few demand supply zones over here. You could technically even say, yeah, that the zone is even from here to here. So you got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. So it's kind of both sides. Oh God, I've got premium. Yeah, 400. Oh shoot. Yeah, I don't know why I don't use the alerts, man. I should use the hell out of them, bro. I should use the hell out of the alerts. Bruh. Bruh. I should give a bit of room for the spread. So in terms of invalid zone, this is the most nearest one, and it lines up with this this zone also, which is perfect. Oh no, why did it reset? So I'm glad that that zone failed, because I was talking about the balance in price and the gap and stuff like that. So that's good. But personally, I wanted to come down, yeah, take this low, because I wanted to sweep this level by a good like 2-3 pips, man. So I wanted to like come down. Yeah, exactly. Bounce off of 50, come back at 30. Yeah, that'd be lovely, man. Hold it down to 3,500. See the buyer stepping at 3,500 and push it back up again. That's what I would really like to see. I don't know if it's gonna happen though, because the first news event, where's the first? The first news is gonna be 8:15. So I need to get into it before 8:15, you know. Oh, I started learning how to do schedules on X, so you can set schedules for the posts and stuff like that, which is cool. Whew. So that was a cool thing. I need to get my 100k account ready as well, man, in case I find anything on any of these. Get rid of M15, go to M1. Yeah, everything's set. So I'm doing 0.25% risk on the 100k account, just because if I gotta wait 21 days to request a payout, instead of risking 0.5 and taking one trade that could still potentially be a loss, rather risk 0.25 and take 1, 2, 3 trades, because I'm gonna have to wait 2-3 weeks anyway till I can request that payout. So that's what I was thinking. Okay, now that's better, yeah. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low. And now that's kind of balanced, yeah. I'm happy with this breaking this high. So I'm happy with this being broke, and then we can take it from the most recent order block. I'm much more confident with just a gap of only 1.1. like that's hardly a gap that needs to get filled now, because it's kind of filled most of it in, hasn't it? So I don't mind that, because this before was 2.3 pips on the M1. That's quite a bit, you know. That's not really a gap. Because this kind of fills into there, and yeah, that's not really a gap. I mean, if you used to go on 1 hour, then yeah, you could say from here to here, innit? Yeah. On the 1 hour time frame, that's a clear gap. On the 30-minute time frame, it's not necessarily a gap, because this candle's wicked into the middle of there. And then this one's only got this tiny balance here. So for me, the gap would only really be, yeah, from here to here, which is only 20 pips. On gold, that's not really a lot. But on the 1 hour, it's exactly the same on the 1 hour, but obviously you can see it more clearly, innit? You can see it more clearly on the 1 hour. Okay, so I'm gonna look at gold today then. So if I want to get in shorts, Got this demand zone here, and so I'll have to wait and see what this does. If this demand zone fails, then I'll be willing to get into shorts. Hate setting alerts on gold, man. Is that right? Yeah. Wait, that's not right. Oh, it is right. Yeah. So if that fails, I'm gonna get into shorts on gold. I'll have to set the stuff up because I ain't traded it in ages. What was my average stop loss? My average stop loss was, yeah, about 8 to 10 ticks. 0.25% risk. Yeah. It's very similar to my thingy. Yeah, to that. But it was 8 pips. It's between 8 and 10. Yeah. That's right. Okay, so you broke that level now. So now I'd say this is the demand zone you want to take a long from. Don't hit the invalid zone. What do you mean stop limits? I never really looked into them anyway. Stop limits. I see Marcus is an awesome broker, bro. Very good broker. Okay, so you broke structure there, all that stuff there's kind of valid. What about EU, man? GU is doing a bit better. But what about EU? I think this is valid, to be honest, man. And I've covered the low by 0.3 pips, yeah? Might be a bit tight. You know what? I'm just going to cover it by 0.2 more. There's 0.5 pip coverage on that zone. No, don't come too fast. Don't come too fast. Why are you coming fast? 75. SL 2.7. Binance 2. Yeah. 0.25. It's 10 lot. That's a limit set. No, touched invalid zone. God damn it. Cancel limit. Touched invalid zone. God damn it. That's annoying. Why didn't you just come back and fully retrace, bro? Was there 30 second zone there? There was a 30 second zone, but we got wicked out. It is what it is. No problem. I really wanted to take that trade, bro. Stop limits on steroids. It creates a limit order once price reaches a certain level rather than an open market order with a plain stop order. I don't get it. Explain again. I just use buy limits in it and sell limits. Stop limits or limits on steroids. It creates a limit order once price reaches a certain level rather than open a market order with a plain stop loss. It seems the same to me. I don't get it. To be honest, even if I did have it on 80, I would have missed because it was 81, so I wouldn't have got tagged anyway. on that GU long. Hello Yusuf, Assalamu alaikum. Also, there's a really nice trade yesterday in New York session, but I didn't look at the charts. I don't know how good it was. Good, like, oh god, yeah, it's not bad at all actually. I gave a few R. Gave like 4, 5, 6 R. Let's go back to today. Back to today. Yeah, there you go. Zone failed. Beautiful. Look at that. Told you longs were the way to go, but I got missed. Yay, I got missed. Now price might fly all the way through all of this level now. Yup, price is gonna probably fly through all of this. And it didn't want to tag me in when it did it. So thank you very much. Hope you are good, doing good today. Alhamdulillah, bro. Chilling, man. Tried to get a long on GU right now, got swerved by a bit. So yeah, very annoying. But as I said, I'm funded now. The main thing is to get a good quality setup. Hit TP, request to payout, done. That's it. That's it. Trade, payout, trade, payout, trade, payout. That's all it is. Okay, so now GJ's taken this zone. Now we can look for a trade on GJ now. Probably get rid of this limit. I don't think price is gonna come down here. I think that's fine where it is. Gonna get rid of that. Get rid of that. Keep the charts clean. 1 minute time frame. This looks like a really big order block, man. Oh. Oh, 4.7. Yeah, that's fine. 4.7 is absolutely fine. I'll make that 5.5 even. That's fine. Oh gosh, yeah, that's okay. That is perfectly fine. So that's gonna go to 15R. Then do 5.5. Now, realistically, oh, we do have a sweep level here as well. That's interesting. So yes, yeah, because we got all of this level here as well. So we might not even get full TP on this bad boy. Can I cut it down and make it tighter? 3R. It's not even worth taking a 3R trade. Why would I even take a 3R? Oh god, look at that. It's going for the heavy. No! Hello. Yeah, I'm looking for longs, but this is the trade I wanted to be in. I wanted to be in this entire trade. I forecasted all of this was going to happen. Price would tag into this, give a reaction and fly through all of this, tag into this, give reaction, fly through all of this. Ah, yeah. Yeah. The difference is market orders are subject to slippage, while limit orders are more likely to fill at the right price unless market is too volatile. I understand, but the good thing about slippage is if it slips you and gives you like 2-3 pips deeper entry, it also gives you 2-3 pips more SL. Because it is that 3 pip SL, for example, is going to still stay 3 pips. It just means you get slipped on your entry by 2-3 pips deeper. That's a good thing for me. Oh god, look, GJ come tag that zone. If it flies up from here, it's fine. I was too late on that anyway. And I'm not gonna take it for just because of this zone here, bro. We got a break and retest level right here. We got a resistance level right here, yeah. the odds are this level could hold because you know we're struggling to go above 200, yeah? So this isn't just my data, there's a bit more logical thinking on GJ. So because of that, I wouldn't take it. If it was a tighter SL, like it feels like 3.5, 4.7 R isn't bad. It's reasonable. I can get away with that. So it turns out this sweep was valid then, even though it's really tight, like a really tight one. It turns out it was very valid. Very true. I prefer deeper slippage rather than a once limit price filled and the entry price is lower high than what I wanted. Yeah. Because you think about it, yeah, you know, like you have to cover your SL anyway, yeah. So obviously, if you get slipped and then price does make equal lows on that level, that slippage giving you the extra 0.2, 0.3, whatever, is kind of protected you from taking that loss. You see what I'm trying to say? Whereas if you get exactly filled on that level and you don't cover that lower zone by an extra 1-2 pips, whatever it is, 0.2, 0.3, whatever, and price comes and hits there, you're slapped in your SL. So I actually prefer where price slips me a bit. I prefer it where price slips me a bit, man. See, this would be better. Would it? What about on the 30-second? Yeah, see, that would have been far better, man. This would have been far better. 4.9 or because it lines up with that level as well. Gold is still not giving me anything. Oh, I'm looking at gold today as well, Yusuf. Wasn't there a limit on GBPCHF? I'm sure there was a limit on GBPCHF. No. And price is obviously going to accelerate through all this level as well. Possibly fly all the way up through here. I can get rid of the CHF limits. Don't need them. We're not really making highs or lows at the moment, so I find that interesting. Set limit on the high, why not? If it breaks lower on this invalid zone, comes into a supply zone, I'm gonna short it. If it breaks higher, I'm not gonna get in along at these levels because when we're at all-time highs, I can't forecast. Even on an M1, I can't forecast how far gold's gonna go. I would need to back test every single time gold made all-time highs and find out the average volume intraday to find that out. I don't have the data for gold, so I can't trade because gold is slightly different. Gold is slightly different to Forex pairs. So yeah, I prefer shorts because I can target back into these levels here. So I could, like, let's say we broke here, come back into this zone. I could target these lows, or Asia low itself and get a 180 pip move. My SL on average on gold is normally between 5 and 10 pips. So I can get anywhere from 18R to about 36, 37R on gold. The only reason I don't like, it's not that I don't like trading gold, it's just that GJ, GC, they all work interlinked and it's just easier because they're all like interlinked with each other. Yeah, 5 to 10 pips. The tightest SL I've caught on gold, yeah, was I think it was a 15-second order block. I think it was like 2.9, 2.7 pips or something like that. Gold touched it and absolutely flew up. The spread tagged me. Not even the candle, the spread. Like the spread tagged me and then it flew straight up. But honestly, that was one of the only few times in my life, bro, I was just like, because it was so tight of a SL. Never do that again. Because before I used to try and catch a 1 pip SL on GU, 1.25 pip SL on Euro USD, and then I was like, yeah, this is too bad. Actually, it's so tight that it gives me anxiety. Trust me, man, it gives me anxiety. Oh shit. So I called price again, I called everything again, I just didn't get tagged again. Allahu Akbar. It really saved me from the drawdown last week. What did Yusuf? Oh yeah, that's good, bro. But the problem is, that's a big red flag for me, because that all that shows me is that you're not a consistent trader. You're relying on one trade to cover your losses. That's like gambling, bro. Bro, I need one win and I can make all the money back. Otherwise, I'd blew my account. Same thing in it, bro. Same thing, Yusuf. Same thing. Okay, so look how this order block price is kind of like just not consolidating in it. 1, 2. Let's just do this. 7 minutes, unless we get big volume in 2-3 minutes, that's gonna hit an L, because remember, average break even is about 4 to 8 minutes is average break even. This is just almost 4 to 8 minutes and we haven't even gone anywhere, unless we get 2-3 minutes of big volume candles and then give you break even. But as I said, I'm not taking that because the order block itself was 5.5 pips, and that's just a bit much, man. Because you got that resistance level right there, you struggled to break 200. Yeah, I know you struggled a lot, man. I seen your psychology as well, because you started asking Miko about what do I do if I take losses and stuff like that, blah blah blah. I started to see that you're struggling a lot. This is why I want to be a psychology mentor, bro. My spreads on GU are flipping massive. You sound so British there, bro. My spreads on GU are flipping massive, bro. Okay, so look at Euro USD is just made another thingy here. It's respecting this trend line. That is rather interesting, isn't it? Isn't it? I'm gonna lock that one down. But yeah, like 2.9 pips is insanely tight on gold, bro. On gold, I prefer like 8 to 10. 8 to 12 is my preference on gold, between 8 and 12. But I like it like slightly on the lower side, innit, because you get better risk reward. Yeah, Halil, your breakup probably isn't raw spread. There might just be normal spreads. Average spreads for GU is like 1.52 pips, I think. On EU, it's like 0.8, 1 pip. Yeah, GU's like, no, yeah, GU's like 1 to 1.5 pip. GBPCHF is like 2-3 pips. Oh my god, really bad on GBPCHF. Like 2-3 pips, I think. Oh my god. Yeah, this is definitely gonna hit an L watch. Almost 11 minutes now, and it's not gave anything. That is signifying me that's gonna be a loss. Because at this point I should have been break even already. So gold's interesting because it's doing lower highs and lower lows. Funny, I can hear you just left class early. I don't understand the shit. Bro, why? My bro left class early to come to the stream. Listen, I love you, yeah. I love you, yeah, Khalil, but please focus on your class, man. Please focus on your class. I'm always here live streaming, yeah. Don't worry. Focus on your class. London Open hopefully makes the fail. What did I say to you, bro? We didn't get break even. What did you do? We got slapped instead. I told you. What did I say? Data explain all things. Data. Whoa, that's a big candle, you know, still. Oh my. Oh. That's a big candle. Oh wow, it's still going as well. What the hell? Yo, that candle's got some movement on it right there, bro. 12 pips in one candle. Oi, yo. Okay, we break the low. We break the low. On gold. Let me wait. I don't like this. I don't like that. But it's respecting order block after order block after order block. I suppose it's not too bad. So if I was to take a short, I would take it from here. But this is how I know this. I normally take buys into this exact setup. We are not taking a short from here. And I wouldn't have taken this long because invalid zone. I wouldn't have taken, yeah. I'd need more confirmation, bro, because this to me just looks like a beautiful invalid zone. So I'm gonna keep waiting, man, on gold, because that looks it looks a bit. How big is that order block anyway? Oh yeah, 8 pips. That's fine. I'll take that. That's still like. It's still within my 8 to 12 preference. On this, I would probably cover the highs as well, actually. Yeah. Just a teeny bit. Man, that move was good. The move was because London Open. Yes. London Open. Okay, that's good actually. Wait a second. Let me just get rid of all of this. So I can look at price. Bashy, right at school. Yeah, see you later, bro. Assalamualaikum, have a good lesson. All I'm seeing here is price took Frankfurt low. Took Frankfurt low by 0.5, and then you had a big wick to the upside. So now I think longs are still valid. Probably 10-minute time frame actually. Yeah, longs are still valid because I want to target into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal highs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal highs there. Yeah. Go for it, bro. So we'll see what happens there. I don't like the look of this.
At 3:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 50.1 on the prior 50.4. Services forecast 49.6 on the prior 49.8. And composite forecast 49.7 on the prior 49.8.
That's at quarter past. So 15 past the hour. So I would wanted to have longed from this zone here, yeah. I just don't like the fact that prices fell nearly 16 pips. I think that might take us out and then come for that low there, possibly. So that's why I wouldn't take that trade, because now what it's done is it's created a new M5 thingy, hasn't it? Invalid zone, which is perfect. It's created a new M5 invalid zone. Obviously you could see it as build up, sweep, push to the downside, or you can see it as build up, inducement, broke structure. You could long from here, but obviously it kind of didn't give the entry and it took this whole level first. So yeah, man, it's a bit of a sticky one. See, EU's done a much better job now. EU's done nice. So this is how we look at EU and GU, and EU's given a cleaner setup. So I prefer EU a bit more. Because EU's taken that level by like what, 2-3 pips? Yeah, 3.2. That's alright. And then we've got the M5 invalid zone right at the top of this trend line right here, which is my preference. So this is like a lovely setup, bro. Lovely setup for me. Morning, David. I've got YouTube Premium for 1 month. Yeah, look at that go. Look at that go. Go on, lad. But news is in. It's only for 1 month. It's just a free trial in it, so don't touch that zone. Just reject from there. Fall from there. Respect an order block. Respect this level here. Give me a nice trade, please. Yes. Yes, come into this level. Come into this level. Okay, so I'm happy GU's done that because I want EU to do this and then GU to take this low here. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just take it by a couple pips if you have to. I don't mind that.
At 3:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 50.1 on the prior 50.4. Services forecast 49.6 on the prior 49.8. And composite forecast 49.7 on the prior 49.8.
So that's respecting the zone. I needed to break structure here, but ideally even this level here because that's an order block, isn't it? So I need this zone to break structure and hold this level. GU, I need GU to break this level here, and then I'm willing to take that. I'm willing to take that trade. So let's just start setting limits so I don't bloody miss anything. Same thing with GJ. Gold I wanted to short, but I don't like the idea of that. So let's just kind of sit, wait and see. I will take it on Euro USD, but the only thing with Euro USD is that I need a really clean zone, and I need a clean zone soon because news is going to start coming out on Euro, isn't it, every 5-10 minutes now once we hit 8:15. Okay, so and you got this zone here, and then this zone there, that zone there. Just cover the high, cover the low. 3.5 pips. It's a bit bigger than what I wanted, but don't mind.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with French manufacturing PMI.
Okay, so EU. That's good. I'm not taking the trade directly from here, but it's giving me the shift of momentum into the side, which is what I wanted to see.
Spot 1, 48 spot 1 lower than forecast, 50 spot 1 services, 48 spot 9, 48 spot 9 lower than forecast, 49 spot 6, and composite 48 spot 4, 48 spot 4 lower than forecast, 49 spot 7, seeing some downside in the euro.
So that's bringing volume in clearly. Let me just look at French manufacturing PMI come out bad, services come out bad, composite come out bad. That's bad. Why is the euro up? Why is the euro up?
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Okay, so now that's obviously not good for the euro. I'm surprised that EU kind of flew up after that. What's happened to it? Has it froze? Has the EU chart froze? What the hell? Okay, so next news event's 8:30 German PMI. Germans tends to be a big one. So let's see what the German one does. Guys, I think the euro chart's frozen. Oh yeah, it did freeze. What the hell? The chart freaked out, bro. Yo, the chart freaked out. What the hell? Okay, there. So now... So, okay. High, low, high, high. Blah, blah, blah. Now we need this structure to break, which is about to happen in a moment. But we got a supply zone right here. Damn it. Can't take that trade. Invalidation after invalidation after invalidation. See you. Ooh. 5.1 pip SL because of that news in it. I can't take that. Can't do that, my guys. Can you do that? Can you do that? So that's interesting because euro should push down and GU is gonna now be stronger. Have to get rid of that. Get rid of this. I'll keep this limit here in the meantime. But I love that obviously you've had an expansion out of this trend line because that should signal a reversal anyway. This EU is looking even better for longs. It's looking even better for longs. I can't lie. It really is. I got limit set there, alert set there as well. That's fine. I would take it on here, but the thing is on GU, the SL is way too big, man. There's a 30 second. What would a 30 second have been? 4.2. Even that would be, yeah, fib valid too. Longs look good. Yes. So yeah, man, I mean, it's just gonna be hard to get in because of all this news, innit? That's gonna be the only issue.
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 50 on the prior 49.8. Services forecast 49.5 on the prior 49.3. Composite forecast 50.7 on the prior 50.5.
So how do you say me too?
We also get the Swedish Riksbank rate forecast.
Swedish
no
Riks-
change on the prior 2%.
The Swedish he struggled there. So Germany is expecting growth. I'd love to see Germany get a positive one to help the German economy push up higher. If that pushes up higher, the USD should fall even more, obviously, because the euro is about 63% or 65% invested in the DXY. If we get a strong German print, that's good. Germany's a big economy, so I want to see that come out services come out 50, manufacturing come out 51, composite PMI come out 51.5. A good print. I want to see a good print. Entry will happen, bro. You just need patience in it. I was hoping this week was gonna be good, but it's looking a bit tricky, man. Bloody Pandian. Just sat here chilling. Let's go back over to GBPCHF. Yeah, look at that, man. We went through all of this level as well that I drew out earlier on. Where did you take an entry on? New York session was good yesterday, bro. GU gave shorts and the GJ gave longs. It was good. Where was it? I'll have a look. Send it on Discord, bro. Okay. I think I remember that. I think I remember that price action. Wasn't that on Euro USD? Wasn't that Euro USD?
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 50 on the prior 49.8. Services forecast 49.5 on the prior 49.3. Composite forecast 50.7 on the prior 50.5. And Swedish Riksbank rate forecast no change on the prior 2%.
Oh, GU. Wait, so what time was that? 7. So it's from 7 to 7:30, yeah? Ah. It's about here, yeah? Wait, what? I'm on the bloody 30-second chart. No wonder it don't look right. I'm on the 30-second chart. This don't look good to me. What the hell? Yeah, so this one here, so the 7 to 7:10ish or whatever, and you got taken out. Yeah, because on M5, I think he's looking at it M5, weren't you? Yeah. Wait a second. So I think it was either M5 or M15 time frame. M15, yeah. Ah, yeah, that's much clearer actually. Right, okay, so I can tell you where you went wrong on that. You got this entire channel. So there was no true pullback. The true pullback was in London Open. And then you had the break right here of this structure. Then you could have taken it from this demand zone here. There. There. Yeah, exactly. And also remember, like, when you're in these high levels and stuff like that, yeah.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with German manufacturing.
Yeah.
PMI.
Yeah. It's good that you know that you had a problem there. Recognizing where you go wrong is an important thing. The reason I didn't take that, I don't remember. You'll have to look at the stream why I didn't take that. I don't remember.
48.5, 48.5, lower than forecast, 50. Services, 52.5, 52.5, higher than forecast, 49.5. And composite, 52.4, 52.4, higher than forecast, 50.7. And Swedish Riksbank rate, cut, 25 basis point cut, 25 basis point cut, lower than the expected, no change.
Oh, wow. So the services come out really good, yeah, for Germany. Manufacturing come out quite bad, but the composite PMI flash come out really good as well. So kind of mixed, but more on the good side for the German economy. It's so hard to get into a trade between all of this news, man. Welcome back, bro. Papa boss. Mamba po. Mamba po andugu. How do you say me too in Swahili? Me too. Mimi pia. Mimi pia ndugu. Isn't it wee pia? Oh. Oh. Me is Mimi. David isn't even Kenyan, bro. David, why you're Indian, bro? David isn't even Kenyan. He's just Indian, bro. He's just trying to be a Kenyan. Ayya. Ayya. Every time David tells me something in Swahili, yeah, either Sak or D or Khalif, they're like, no, you're wrong. And then he's like, oh yeah, you're right. That's like 3-4 times now. Oh man, that's funny. That is funny. Div is rage typing now, trying to defend his honor. I'm only joking, man. Today again might not be a trading day. GJ is so nasty, bro. Oh, so nasty. I'm gonna get rid of GJ because it is hideous. Ooh. Gonna go to M15 and just chill on this time frame for a bit and just wait for things to level out. GBPCHS has done a break retest of this channel here. Get rid of this. Let's look at gold, man. Is gold doing anything good? Yeah, see why I didn't want to take that trade. I told you, bro. I was like, oh, you got supplies in right there. I don't want to take it. Price is going to take that level, and it did. And it did. It's annoying, yeah, when you can call price so accurately, but you can't get an entry. Because, like, you have invalidation zones and stuff like that. It's annoying, man. It's good and bad, if you know what I mean. I think you guys get what I mean, innit? So basically, Halil, I could have taken a trade right here, but news come out and it gave a really big SL, so I couldn't take it because it's outside of my 2 to 4 pip zone. I just left it on the chart to see what happens, because obviously PMI come out in it, so it's a bit of a sticky one. I'm just gonna delete all of this, make the chart nice and clean. That's better. Go on M5 and just kind of sit and wait now. Another day where there's no trade, I suppose. Now the shorts might be valid on GBPJ on gold. The shorts might be valid on gold now. I had something. Send if it is valid. Yeah, send it in the Discord. And tag me as well. Turn signal. return declaration. Why would you do that? That looks like Indonesia or Malaysia or something like that. That don't even look like. What the? What the hell, man? Bro, it's so hard to catch an entry when you got days like this where the news is a bit of a madness. And what I mean by madness is it's everywhere. The news is everywhere. Yeah, look at this price action on GJ. Absolutely hideous. Hideous. Okay. Still didn't give me the notification. I don't know why. Why didn't it give me the notification? Where's notification settings? All messages. Mobile phone push. I didn't give it. I don't know why I didn't get the notification on my phone. Anyway, let me just, you know what, let me just set alerts first, yeah, and then we can, you know, because you know what price does, you'll end up flipping, I'll end up looking at this and then end up freaking giving an alert, and then you know what, 45, I got a feeling price is gonna fly through this level anyway, yeah, but I'm hoping in it, break, give me entry, then fly, inshallah. Okay, so limit set there. Anywhere else I need to go? Set a limit here as well, why not? And what about gbpchf? What's that doing? Bomba client, I ain't doing nothing out here. Yeah, get rid of that. Yeah, stick with gbpjpy. Okay, so let's have a looky see here. I'm still looking for longs, you know. And you know you got that M15 supply zone in Asia. That supply zone, I have a question for you, Khalil. Why did you pick that M15 supply zone in Asia? And what's the one below it? Where's that from? Go on M15 and send me a screenshot in the Discord. I want to see how your what your M15 looks like. Hey, that gave a nice level there. Let's have a look. Yo, Lee, sorry about that. I was just messing around on X in it. Sorry, bro. I didn't look at the chat. My bad. How you doing, bro? You okay? Apologies, bro. I was literally just looking at I was updating obviously my social media stuff and it's saying I'm officially funded and stuff like that. So sorry about that, mate. I just noticed price already effed up. Yeah. Mambo VP, Bashy and traders. Mambo Pow D, Mambo Pow. Price was literally 7 pips for my entry. Bounce back, retested the level resistance breaking. Now retesting as support. So on gold, yeah, I was gonna short it, bro, yeah. But you weren't here, innit? And I said, look, I don't like this trend line. You got a demand zone, supply zone right there I wanted to trade from. When I looked back at it, I was like, yo, that looks so bait. Bait was like suspicious, yeah? So you had this zone here, the one I wanted to take a trade from, but that's my prime setup to trade into. So I was like, why am I going to take a trade from there? And then what happened? I cancelled everything. Price come up to that level, I goes, now you could potentially short it down to this demand zone here, yeah? But it's not really giving much movement or price action anyway, so I'm just gonna sit and wait. I'm still looking for EU GU longs, GBPJPY. I'm not sure what the hell is going on with the yen. It's stuck in like
At
some
4 a.m.
disgusting
Eastern
price
time,
action.
the Eurozone PMIs manufacturing forecast 50 spot 7 on the prior 50 spot 7. Services forecast 50 spot 5 on the prior 50 spot 5. And composite forecast 51 spot 1 on the prior 51.
Yeah. All in 40 minutes. Yes, Francis, it was going hard, mate. It was going hard. What's Mambo Freshie mean? No, obviously on M1 you can short it, Lee. You can short it on M1, no problem. I used to trade gold on M1 before, remember? Ages ago. So yeah. I'm just waiting for this invalid zone to fail, see if it allows me to give an entry. If it does, I'll take it, but it depends on how. I'm expecting price to accelerate through those levels and target that M15 invalid zone in Asia high. So because of that, it's a bit sticky, because if price kind of, let me just pull out the line tool. Yeah, so if obviously we get like price just breaks it, then we got a demand zone, I'm taking it up until the failure of that, and I'll follow my data points in it. I just need to be mindful that we have dropped a lot. So for me to catch 30 pips on Euro USD, I'm going to be targeting like 50 something here, isn't it? So it's going to be a bit more than what the average pip volume is for Euro. But it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Mambo VP, how are things? Mambo Freshie, Mambo Pow, things are good. Okay. Thank you. Asant. No, not Asant. How you say thank you again? Asant. All's good. Yeah, GJ consolidation is disgusting, bro. Disgusting consolidation on GJ, man. Just look at that. Okay, pound, chill out, come back. Don't hit the next invalid zone. Don't hit the next invalid zone. I swear, if you hit that invalid zone, I'm gonna slap you so hard. I'm gonna do a live stream of me going to the Bank of England and slapping Governor Bailey. Yes, that's good. That's better. Okay. Okay, 2.6, I can work with that. 3 with coverage, that's even better. I can work with 3. Damn it, I don't like the look of this either. Don't like the look of that either. I don't like the look of that. Just because it could come into deeper levels and stuff like that. You got like what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal lows here. Things are becoming clearer. Yeah, of course. But remember, Lee, I don't trade after 10-15, so it'd be nice to get into something prior to GBP given PMIs and potentially hold through there. To be honest, bro, like when you think about it, I started trading in April last year, yeah? April, May and June were good. July, August, September I didn't trade. October I traded. November I didn't trade because of elections. December I didn't really trade much because I was just chilling out, to be honest. January inaugurations, didn't really trade. February I traded. March I didn't trade because it's Ramadan, so I was fasting, couldn't wake up on time, all that stuff. May I traded. June I traded. And then July, August, I've been with you guys trading. So yeah, it's been, we've had a difficult year in terms of volume, volatility, inconsistency in the market. We have had a difficult year, that's for sure. But using my FX book, I'm just looking at things on a yearly perspective and a monthly perspective.
Manufacturing forecast 50 spot 7 on the prior 50 spot 7. Services forecast 50 spot 5 on the prior 50 spot 5. Composite forecast 51 spot 1 on the prior 51.
Let's look at Bitcoin, man. What's Bitcoin doing? Oof. Boy, Bitcoin's fell hard, innit? Yo. Bro, 5.4% drop, man. It's not a lot for Bitcoin, but still, that's quite a bit, man. Raw. 5.5% drop on Bitcoin. Can you change the name of the asset so you just type in your own nickname and it searches it? Let's see what GU does on this level. I don't like it just because I think price could very easily, after taking this level out, come down here, take these lows and then fly up from there. So because of that, I don't like the way that looks, to be honest, man. I really don't like the looks. Gold and Bitcoin have inverse relationships. Yeah, I know. There's a thing called Bitcoin to gold ratio, yeah? And oh, bloody Alan's awake. 9 in the morning, mashallah. Shab Baher Duste, man. Look at that. Now, if it goes up from here, I don't know. If it does, great, yeah, but I didn't want to take that. Indices hit all-time highs. They sell due to profit taking, so Bitcoin follows suit as linked to S&P. I don't necessarily believe that. I really don't believe that. People's Nick said that. I don't really believe it. When I was looking at S&P and that, it doesn't always follow suit. Just because something follows suits 1, 2, 3 times doesn't mean it's always going to follow suit. If that makes sense. The only thing I can say is that if Bitcoin goes up or down, the other coins follow it. That's all I can say for sure. But the rest of it, nah, I'm not so convinced anymore. Look at your answer. Yeah. Maybe there is going to be correlations, obviously often here and there, but not all the time. I don't think. I don't know. I'll have to have a look. I'll have to have a look on the daily chart, innit? And then have a look over a long period of time, and then see. How's Pulver anyway? Yeah. That's the thing. I've never really compared the indices to Bitcoin because I never really trade Bitcoin anyway. But when I heard what Thingy said about it, I was like, he's just talking bollocks here, I think. I've not been there since, you know. I've not been back since. They're both risk-on assets, aren't they? Well, one's a risk-on, one's a risk-off. When with trading, you diversify when risk is on, yeah. When risk is off, you don't diversify. Alan, has your
manufacturing PMI flash 49.5, 49.5, lower than forecast 50.7. Services 51.4, 51.4, higher than forecast 50.5. Composite 51.2, 51.2, higher than forecast 51.1.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna go to that. He has his own stream on his own channel. I'll go there. I'm not even gonna go to thingies, those guys anymore.
Well, hello everybody.
So that was Eurozone then. The services come out good. Now you got UK at 9:30. Let's see how that comes out.
/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal?
Yeah.
Come on, people.
ازالتها حتى تبقى حدود ما يسمى باسرائيل مع تركيا مش مع بلاد عربيه. هم كاتبين اسرائيليين طلقا في البلاد العربيه.
The plan is to remove Lebanon and Syria so that the borders of so-called Israel are with Turkey rather than with Arab countries. You'll see this achieved if not in our era, in the era of our children. Syria will become 5 small states. That was what Gaddafi said back in the how many years ago? I think this was like his 20-year-old interview. Yeah, he's Gaddafi was a G, mate. Gaddafi was a G. Price action's a bit crappy today as well, to be honest. We're an hour into London session and there's not been much going on. Who, Gaddafi's son? Libya's done for, mate. The United Arab Emirates own Libya now. Yeah, it doesn't matter because the Emirates got all of their money, like they got a lot of money invested in drama going on in Libya, so I think that doesn't really matter because Libya has good oil in it, so obviously it makes sense that Emirates is gonna try and get in there and get hold of that oil and stuff like that. They try. Libya wants to cut Emirates wants to cut Libya in two, the north and south, in it, and segregate them. So that trade did work out on GU. I didn't take it for a fair reason though, to be honest, man. It is the risk was there in it, so I just didn't want to take it. Yeah, I know. The problem is Lee's not even going in one direction. It's just consolidating all of it. I think the move's gonna happen tomorrow, or maybe after New York session PMI. What time is it? 2:45 or 3? 1 second. I think remember it's 2:45 or 3. Yeah, 2:45, innit? So we got news at 2:45 for New York session. So New York's is gonna be slow. I might try and get in a trade before New York's PMI. If I can catch something between 145 to 215, I'll get in there, because that gives me enough time to get partials and go break even anyway. And then if I've got partials and break even, I'm willing to hold it through the news event and see how it goes. I probably wouldn't do it on the 100k funded account, because if it does go well, I don't want to be too profitable. I need to control the profitability, if that makes sense. Because I don't want to get like a 10 grand pay. I just want to get 2-3 grand time after time after time after time. I don't want to aim for like 10, 20, 30k payouts, because that's just stupid, man. Yeah, 5:45 UK time. I don't know if what that speech is about, but I'm not gonna trade anyway that late, so it doesn't really matter. GBP card, let's have a look. You were shorting this, weren't you? Or were you buying it? Sorry, I don't remember. When did you get in on this? When did you get in on this, bad boy? You're speaking at some sort of comments. Yeah, I've seen that, but I don't know if it's gonna be like big volume meeting, if you catch what I'm trying to say, innit? I'm not sure. So that's why I'm just like, eh. And it's late as well, so I'm not gonna really be on the charts that late, and you know what I mean? That's what I mean. It's not a Fed event, innit? So I don't know like what the volume's gonna be like, and because it's so late, I'm not gonna be on there anyway. I'll just look at what Financial Juice says about what was said and stuff like that, because it's still gonna pop up on Financial Juice, obviously. So I'll just keep an eye on that and see what it comes out with, innit? If there's anything important there or not. But where did you get in on that GBP card? Like when did you get in on that trade? I remember the price roughly. It was like 1860, 1867, something like that. But where did you get in at? It did good though, rejecting at that 0.5 level on the fib. Literally dropped down, rejected at the 0.5 beautifully. Even like drag it over here, to be honest. And there's even closer, I think. Yeah, it's even closer. On the M1. Yeah. That's good, bro. Well done, my guy. Yeah, they have. I was hoping that we'd get direction after FOMC, but it seems like the market's a bit more confused and it's not really picking a direction. Is kind of what I'm viewing it as. Which is fine, like there's nothing wrong with that. It's just a bit tricky, isn't it? That's all. And also with this trade, if I took it, remember what is my break-even time? 4 to 8 minutes. What are we in this? 13 minutes. Likely gonna hit an L. Actually, no, it did give break-even, didn't it? On the 8th minute, it gave a break-even. Actually, let me. No, it didn't give a break even. It made it equal high. Yeah, so for me, this is still looking a bit sketch. Because now we're 14 minutes into it, we still haven't gave break even yet, which is really bad. Wednesday will be a better day. Yeah, what's the news on Wednesday? Japanese composite PMI, German IFO expectation. There's hardly any news on Wednesday, so I prefer no news day because it's just easier. We'd have to maneuver news and stuff like that. But volume can be a bit lower. But I don't know, man. Yeah, we might start getting a move on Wednesday. Thursday, we've got Bank of Japan meeting minutes. That's not too important. Japanese services, PPI, German consumer sentiment, none of that's important. Oh, yes, we got the CHF Swiss rate on the Thursday morning, 8:30. That's going to be interesting. And then we got the press conference at 9. And then we got job claims, US job claims, US GDP quarter on quarter. That's going to be interesting. And US durable goods. That's going to be interesting. And existing home sales, which I don't think that's interesting. Yeah, Thursday's gonna be good. New York session. London have a tiny bit of volume because I trade GBP CHF, but New York's gonna be good. And then Friday we got CPI for yen, PCE for USD. Yeah, that's about it. And then the week after, where's NFP? And the week after, I think you got NFP, I think. Yeah, NFP on the 3rd of October. Why doesn't this show 3rd of October, NFP? It doesn't show for some reason. It's probably not scheduled it into diary or something like that. So yeah, we'll see what happens in it from there. But I got a feeling it's just gonna be me still sitting and waiting and stuff, which is fine. I don't mind sitting and waiting, got no issue with that. Japan has a bank holiday which explained the crap price action. PCE on Friday. JP loves PCE. Yeah. He does. He loves that. But I could explain why we're getting some really disgusting price action today. I don't mind it because my psychology is good enough anyway, man. You hear me talking about psychology all the time. Patience, perseverance, all that stuff. So I'm completely fine with it. And where are we now? We're about to hit an SL, I think. Then remember the data points. This is why I love data. Data is the absolute king of kings. Lee, how are you getting on with your backtesting and stuff like that? Have you started backtesting your strategy and getting data for it or not? Because I know you've got FX Replay, right? You bought it, didn't you? There you go. Pan's coming down to take this level out, please. If Pound takes that this level out right here, yeah, I might be willing to get in along then. Guys, if you want to talk about anything, feel free to bring anything up, man. It doesn't have to be trading related, because when it's stuff like this and it's boring, man, I'd rather have a conversation about anything, to be fair. Planning to enter GU, not Euro. Yeah. Euro is far weaker than GU today. Far weaker. You'll see the analysis today, son. Let me know. Longs in it, lad. Longs. Longing everything, shorting the pond. Joking. Longs ideally in it. The technicals are giving me longs. Fundamentals still give me long. Sentiment still gives me long. So I'm just kind of sticking with that, to be honest, man. That's kind of the... Yeah, it is forbidden. So that's a bit of a mad one, that is. Where you thinking of longing it from exactly? Because right now where price is, it's in a bit of a sticky place, isn't it? So where you thinking about longing it from, David? How's your USD trade going, Alan? Because obviously you had a bit of deep drawdown in it. So how's it looking now? Send it on Discord, please, bro. I told you this week. Oh wait. Yeah, so we can have sausages and stuff like that, because you got like halal sausages like chicken, turkey, like turkey bacon, chicken, beef sausage and stuff like that. but obviously we can't have like pork, sausage,
4:30 a.m.
anything
Eastern time,
related
we
to
expect
pig. We
UK
can't.
PMIs. Services
Um,
forecast 53.5 on the prior 54.2.
Well, there's no
Composite
such thing as
forecast
vegan
53
pork,
on the
is there?
prior 53.5. Manufacturing
Pork
forecast
is-
47.1 on the prior 47.
Pork is pig in it. Yeah, so you can't have anything related to pig. Anything related to pig. You know, also Jesus said in the Old Testament, if you believe the Old Testament or not, Jesus said even Jesus forbade swine in it. He said it was in. Let me find it for you, bro. Wait, you're probably not Christian, but still, let me find it for you. Innit? Okay, so in the Old Testament, yeah, which obviously Jesus is supposed to be there to fulfill the law of God and stuff like that, right? So in Leviticus 11:7 and Deuteronomy 14:8, it says pork is forbidden. And also in Mark 7:18-19, where Jesus says that it's not what a person goes into food makes them unclean, but what is in their heart, and saying Jesus declares all foods clean. We don't believe that, because Jesus wouldn't change the law. Something that is forbidden to become forbidden, that doesn't that's forbidden to become like acceptable. That doesn't make sense. Later in Acts, Apostle Peter has a vision where God tells him not to call any food impure that God has made clean. This reinforces the idea of food laws, including the pork ban, which are no longer binding on the Christians. Yes, pork is forbidden under Jewish law. Jesus lived under that law. No, Jesus did not. Jesus didn't eat pork though. Jesus did not eat pork. Yeah, this is why we don't believe the Bible in it, because they changed stuff around. Because the Quran says you can't have pork, absolutely outright unacceptable. Jews said you can't have pork, absolutely unacceptable. Christians, I think they love pork in it, so they said, yeah, Jesus said you can have it. Obviously, that's. Let's not get further into that. Bro, meat is delicious, man. What are you talking about, bro? I love meat. I like chicken. I don't do red meat so much. Oh, look, I gave break even after. So it gave break even after 26 minutes. Oh my god, that is horrendous, bro. I don't. Yeah, so with us, obviously we eat all that stuff, right? Chicken, lamb, beef, seafood as well. Seafood's halal. I personally, I like seafood. I like fish. I like fish a lot. I don't know many foods that are nice though in terms of like fish. There's not much option, but fish as a meat or whatever you want to call it is really nice, man. I like it. Fish is good. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, Divot. See you later, my bro. Pan's going now. Pan's going. Peace out, sucker. Okay, now there might be a trade.
4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK PMIs. Services forecast 53.5 on the prior 54.2. Composite forecast 53 on the prior 53.5. And manufacturing forecast 47.1 on the prior 47.
Yes, I just seen that lead. That's funny. Yeah, mate, I'm meat boy me, you know, meat boy me. But I don't mind veg at all. I don't mind like my vegetarian stuff as well. Obviously, living in the UK, not everything's fully meat available, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah. The odds of price dropping all the way down here for me to take entries are no go, man. No go. Yeah, I think I'm done, broskies. I don't think I'm gonna find anything. I mean, I'll keep an eye out for obviously. Keep an eye out, but I don't think that we're gonna get what I want to see. I think this can all go over now as well. Odds are we're not going to be all the way over here. And this can probably go over to Thursday as well now, to be fair.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with UK.
Just about to say that. Let's shoot the pandas in a minute.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader,
Shut up, man. The guy's so annoying who does this voice.
/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
10 seconds. 51.9, 51.9 lower than forecast, 53.5. Manufacturing 46.2, 46.2 lower than forecast, 47.1. Composite 51, 51 lower than forecast.
Ooh,
53.
that's not good for the pound. Oi, look at the pound.
Seeing downside in British pound.
Oi, that fell quite a bit, you know. Oi, this is not good, bro. This is very bad for the pound. This is very bad for the pound. We're getting stagflation coming in. We're getting bad unemployment. We're getting bad inflation. Now we're showing that the growth is coming down, down and down. Services is still above 50, but it's 51.9, but it's supposed to be 53.5. So we've seen a miss on that. So that's not really looking good. Composite is supposed to be 53, coming at 51. So 0.2 miss on there, which is bad, or 2 points miss on there. And then on the manufacturing, it doesn't matter too much because it's not really a manufacturing country anyway. That come out as a miss also. Yeah, this is not good for the pound, man. This is really not good for the pound. Oof. PMIs took me out. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Look at that, pound's rolling over now. Oof. Oof. I'm gonna see if I can. I want to take a long into this level, but like from fundamental bias and stuff, the pound's looking really bad, bro. It's looking really bad. It's looking really, really bad. I'm going to keep an eye on this just in case I do get an opportunity for a reversal, but let's just say it like this, I'm not confident. Oh, look at the yen. Oi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, yen dropped, yeah? The yen dropped 36 pips. It's a bit of a move, innit, boys? It's a bit of a move right there. Yeah. Those are looking for confirmation to get in on there, innit? But I need to be careful at the same time so I don't get slapped. Gold pop to the upside. Oh god, yeah, it did. Yep. Uncertainty and stuff like that. Yep. We've come out, taken this low, which is magnificent. Bro, there might be longs coming on the table, you know. Hey, just drag it across there. Why not? Yeah, this is actually looking good now. This is actually looking good, you know, Lee. The only issue is we did kind of take out these highs. By how much? About 2 pips. Then we had the big drop, took out the low. Obviously, we've got this invalid zone here. Yeah, gold's done a nice pop off of there, hasn't it? Wow, look at that. Was that a nice 70 pip move off of there? So I don't know, man. I mean, on GJ, it still looks kind of like a resistance level. It still looks like a resistance level to me, so I'm still gonna let that hold. Yeah, I think New York's just gonna be interesting. What about GBPCHF? What happened to that? Oh yeah, that's come down, took all of these lows. That might even be a trade on GBPCHF. 696. There we go. Missed that one. Guess you come back tomorrow. It's alright, bro. Don't worry. It is what it is, isn't it? I might be getting in a few trades today, bro. If all of them give an entry, I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna split my risk across all of them. Now I'm gonna swap out gold for GBPCHF, just because none of us are really in gold right now anyway. So I don't think you guys mind, do you, that I'm swapping gold out for GBPCHF again. Where's the next level? Where's the next level? Next level's Asia low. We've just come for that. And the next level is the low under there, so yeah. I need to keep an eye on both of these right now. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I talk gold buys, and yes, told you gold will take me. But looking at Bashy CHF, that's shaping up for a reversal on the daily and weekly, but I'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, daily, weekly, I don't know, bro. I mean, let me go on the daily again and have a look here. On the daily, yeah, I mean, it looks like we could get a move. Wow, we got all this over here, bro. What the hell? No chance of going up 100 and something there. That's easy going over to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday. So Thursday. I think all of these are going over. All of these are going over. Including this. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot going on for sure. GBP CAD on this low to this high. We're either gonna break this level and push to the downside, or we might even get potential of it. Come on, man. So yeah, we'll have to see what happens in it. I know you've never heard of those time frames, Bashy, but they're a great place to start analysis. Not if you're on the M1. If you're on the M1, you don't need to even look at that point. It's like, bro, I trade M1, look at the monthly time frame. What the hell has the monthly time frame got to do with the volume in London session? I only look at high time frame just because everyone else wants me to look at high time frame. But my bias is so similar to Miko's, so similar to Nick's. All of it's the same bloody thing, innit, bro? All of it's the same bloody thing. Okay, there we go. So get rid of that. Get rid of the invalid zone there. So yeah. Oh, alhamdulillah, you got the gold trade, my guy. Well done. I'm still waiting on the yeni. You could even turn around and say, we took that low right there. After it had a massive candle, it made a wick on the high side, made a low, and then continued up. You could say we even took that level out. Now on this, I wouldn't absolutely target the high because I don't know if we'd move all the way up here. Obviously, yeah, data works. Yeah, 70 pips. Yeah, that could work. That could work. Yeah, the old people say you won't make any money trading lower time frames. Well, no wonder why you're old. Lee's very old. Lee's like 200 years old. You can trade lower time frame, bro. Me and Lee know a lot of similar traders are starting to come down to M15, M30. There's a reason why. When you're in a trending market, it's good to swing a position. When the market don't trend, you need lower time frame, bro. You need lower time frame confirmation and lower time frame volatility to kind of help you out with that. And it's a faster learning curve rather than you taking a swing trade, once every flipping 6 months. I'm the same age as you, Bash. Shh. 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 Let's start marking some of these zones out now. But yeah, as I was saying, low time frame is king, man. You get faster learning curve, more data, so you can learn faster, expose your market, get exposed to the markets faster and stuff like that. You're not waiting for a 4-hour daily change, all that stuff that could take 1, 2, 3 weeks depending how the market volume is and stuff like that. There's so many pros to lower time frame, but it's only good for low time frame if you have experience. If you're brand new, go to 4-hour, go to daily, stay there for about 6 months. Learn the markets on the higher time frame for about 6 months. When you're comfortable with it, then drop down, like from the daily to the 4-hour, it'll be very similar. Then drop down to the 1 hour, do that for about 6 months, then you'll be alright with 15-minute and 30-minute time frame. But M1, like, I don't advise anyone to go M1. And below M1, like 30 second, nah, bro, don't even, like, Now, if we get a break from this level here, we can enter a trade, and I think we're still within my time frame, which is fine. We're still within my time frame, so that's good. 60, wasn't it? Yeah, it's 60. Oh, was it 62? Oh, 61, 62. Yeah, there, 62. If we get this break here, I'm gonna be more inclined to take a long. Yes, perfect. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Don't touch this zone. Don't touch this zone.
German finance minister says we must fight to ensure that steel production in Germany has a future, that we give employees a perspective.
3.9. Bit big, man, bit big. But obviously 35 pips in it, man. It's 35 supposed to be. What's it doing here? 35. Yeah, I don't like the look of that. I don't like the look of that. Yeah. If it comes up and takes this level out, then I don't mind taking it. But I don't like how it's hovering in this level right here, which is kind of a supply zone on M1. So that could invalidate it. And it's 2 to 4 pips is my limits, yeah, for SL on EU, GU and GBPCHF. And this is right on the limit, man. And then it means if I take partials as per data point, I'm only gonna get 3.8, 3.75. Oh, full TP is gonna be 8.75. That's not bad, but I don't think price is gonna go all the way up there. I really don't see that. I really don't. And now sticky one, guys. What's GJ looking like? Let's have a look at GJ. Lower, high, low, 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 high, low, low. Break structure there. This looks a bit more cleaner. This looks a bit more cleaner. Get out this bloody game, man. I need to get off this game. I was playing a game on my phone. Get off. Go to TradingView. MetaTrader, I mean. There we go. Boom. M1. 1 second. Respect this level. And then break this level here. And then I'm going to be happy. Let's look at GBPCHF. We want to do the level right close to, but it doesn't matter. There is no demand zone on the 1 minute time frame, but that was on 30 second. I can't enter that fast. It's literally impossible for me to enter that fast. .6 pips, which is fine. I can do that. I can do that. So GU's going out slowly. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the charts, just really focused for a second in it. What were you saying on the M1? We're looking to trade from a previous sideways range as you get a better chance of greater risk to reward. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna go to 30-second time frame just to see a bit more clarity. And get rid of that. My computer's having a meltdown, man. I don't know if it's TradingView or not. I think it's TradingView. TradingView's having a meltdown. Okay, now I needed to break this high. Respect this level. Break this high. Please. Give me a better order block to enter from. Demand zone, whatever. Needed to break this level, pull in, do a contraction, and then allow me to enter in from that level there. Literally got about 18 minutes to get into this. EURUSD's took that zone out. It should fly through there now. The only issue is I don't think I'll get a chance to get a pullback and an entry on that. For me, the entry would be here. Oof. I'd go on the M2, I would. That's way too tight. We'll just take it from there. Even that looks better. It's a bit tight though, isn't it? Damn it, that was the zone to enter from. Yep, that was the zone to enter from. That was too quick for me, man. I wasn't paying attention on it. Minor. Come on, GJ. Go up, break that structure there. Give us a nice little zone to take an entry from. I just want to see like a nice body close over here, leaving a little order block or something like that. And then I'm happy to take that trade. Something like that. 4.9 is not bad at all. I can take that. Perfect. Perfect. Limit set on there. Oh, that's gone. That's fine. Let me get in on yen really quick, and then I gotta do it on my phone as well. One sec. gbpjpy 1 minute time frame, limit set. Damn it. Stupid phone, man. There. So buy limit done on GU. Haven't done it on here yet. There you go, limit set on there. Limit set on everything. See how this goes. Either we're gonna get a good trade or we're gonna catch an L. But this is valid, so we'll have to just see how it goes right now. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay, spreads are there, so I'm not tagged in because the spreads. Okay, I'm tagged in on ACG. I'm tagged in on ACG. Not tagged in on the 100k funded. Not tagged in on here yet. Let's go on the 15-second time frame. Keep a close eye on what's going on here. There we go, we're in. Now we're in on all the accounts. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Got entered in a slightly better position. So let's see what happens here. The SL was a little bit big on the 100k account, but it's okay.
OECD sees global growth easing to 3.2% in 2025 and 2.9% in 26, and sees US growth slowing 1.8% in 2025 and 1.5% in 26. China
Looks like
growth
it
at
might be an L.
4.9% in 2025
If it is an L, it's fine.
and 4.4% in 2026. Euro area growth at 1.2%
Yep.
in
Wicked.
2025 and 1% in 2026.
Because all my accounts closed. Yeah,
Japan
took a loss
growth at
there, no problem.
1.1% in 25 and 0.5% in 26. UK growth at 1.4% in 25 and 1% in 26.
Downloaded. Perfect. Took a loss on there, no problem. He is doing well on that zone. I should have managed to get into this trade, innit? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, high, low, higher high. Up into there would have been break even in a minute or two, but you can't catch all of them, man. You can't catch all of them.
Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
You literally cannot catch all of them. TP on GBPUSD, alhamdulillah. Good, man. Good stuff, good stuff. So I took a minor loss on that account, sticking in the Discord. And then I'll add that on X later on. I was waiting for price to come back up, fill that gap, but it didn't want to do it today. And that's okay, because I would take that. I would take that trade all day, every day. Completely valid. On GBPJPY CHF, it would have been a break-even trade. On EURUSD, that's still kind of hovering around here anyway. So yeah, minor, it is what it is. Don't forget to do me a favor and like the stream, please. Thank you, guys. So what was the loss on this account? Should have been about 250. 253. That's okay. 0.25% loss. That's fine. I've still got room on this account now, so that's okay. So you can't win all of them, and you can't catch all of them. So when you do take a loss, you just have to be like, it is what it is. These things happen in trading. It's out of your control. get rid of this and this and this. And then go to 14. And 15. Get rid of all of this as well, just to neaten up the chart. Keep that there, get rid of that. Actually, no. I'll get rid of that. And then I keep the rest of the chart. I keep an eye on this, see where it goes. But looking at that there, it doesn't look good to me. It looks like it's gonna drop. Oh my god, look at that. That is disgusting. We haven't moved more than a single pip. Wow. So I'll probably stay on M5 on this one, just so I can keep an eye on that. Close the rest of the accounts down, because I think we're about done for the day. Yeah, that's finally. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. All that like, share, subscribe, bollocks in it. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, Lee, for swinging by. I might go. I might not. I might stream New York in the Discord. I don't know. If I trade New York session, I'll stream it in the Discord. So I don't know. Whatever, innit. Or you can do both. You can come to the Discord and then you can share screen and then we can watch it together. Whatever, innit. Peace out, bro. Take it easy. I'll have to upload that on Instagram. I'll do that on my phone. Can't be asked to do it on the computer because it's annoying. So yeah, I mean, nothing to say, to be honest, man. The sector was valid. I took a loss. It is what it is, innit? I haven't really got anything to say. This is why I chose to do 0.25% risk on the 100k funded account, just to kind of protect that account. And so if I do take a loss, it's not that big of a deal. It kind of gives you leeway and protection, which is a good thing, to be fair. So that's fine. It is what it is. No problem at all. And that's why I like the strategy, because if I get a win, it brings it all back, because the high risk reward. It's kind of easy to trade because of that. Whereas most strategies, they don't have that kind of leeway in it. And even the pound's still been a bit willy-wally. So yeah. I'm gonna cut the stream here then, and then obviously we'll keep an eye on how this trade goes anyway, and if that invalid zone does fail or not. But for now, I'm pretty much done, boys. Don't really have anything else to do or say, to be fair. I'm just gonna go chill out, relax, get probably if I do trade New York, I'll stream it in the Discord. So make sure you guys are following that. Just drop all this stuff back in the chat again. Just in case anyone comes to the stream later on, they can see all that details and stuff like that, and then find the stream, you know. So yeah. Also, guys, you know, on my live stream, when I go live, if you hit wait or notify me or whatever, you get a notification exactly when I go live, even though I'll put it on the Discord anyway. But I don't always do that, just so you guys know exactly when it starts, the stream and stuff like that. But guys, I am done. I will see you later. Thanks everyone for coming. Yes, D, David, Yusuf, Sak, Francis, everyone. Thank you. I'll see you guys either tomorrow or I'll stream New York in Discord if I trade New York. Take it easy, guys. Bye.